Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to create an interactive dashboard using Claude AI. Step 1. Upload your data. Here I have an Excel file containing customer, sales, and profit data. First, upload this file to Claude AI by clicking on the plus icon, then select Files or Photos and upload your Excel file. Step 2. Generate a high-quality prompt. Now, instead of writing a prompt yourself, we will let Claude generate a professional prompt for us. Type the following instruction. You can copy it from the description. Now press Enter. Claude will generate a professional, well-structured prompt. Step 3. Generate the dashboard. Now copy the generated prompt. Upload your Excel file again in the same chat or a new one. Paste the prompt and press Enter. Claude will take a few moments and then generate your interactive dashboard. Step 4. Download the file. When you open it, it will usually open in your browser where you can see a fully interactive, colorful dashboard with charts, filters, and insights. And that's how you can create a professional dashboard using Claude AI without writing complex prompts yourself. To learn more useful tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.